Again, we take the next vowel sound, short vowel sound. And this time around, short vowel sound, front vowel sound number 3. Short front vowel sound number 3. And this short vowel, front vowel sound number 3 is produced this way. Look at my mouth. It is a mid-low sound and a half-closed one. A mid-low, half-closed sound. So your tongue is raised from the floor of the mouth a bit. And then your lips are not so wide open. So you have something like eh, 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 right? See the board. Look at it here, the sound, a mid-low stroke, half-open front vowel sound. And so we have the letter combination, or ways we emphasize the letter combination and not the words. Okay, so the letter combination are more emphasized here. So we have the letter A in the word any. Any. AI combination give you the same sound in the word set. Set. The letter E gives it to you naturally rise. Rise. So we have EL combination in the word leopard. Leopard. And then we have EA in the word threat. Threat. The letter U can give you that sound in the word berry. Berry. Then you have IE combination in the word friend. Friend. Then, of course, we have EI combination in the word leisure. Leisure. We don't know, some people pronounce this as leisure, but that's American accent. Leisure. That's an American accent. So we have that sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different letter combinations giving you the same sound. So we have quite a number of words in English language by which you can realize the sound. Thank